Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is my third day of 30 days challenge, and today I will share about a story and which I have read day before yesterday. So I just try to narrate that story. So the story started from there was a lady. Her name was Nazneen, and she was from India. Actually, she was a maid in India, and she had a three daughter, and they were old enough to get married, but she doesn't get that much of salary for. So she was always thinking about how I could get married to my daughter. So it's very challenging for her. So once she met with a agent, and the agent told her you could get same work, more salary in another country. So she started to think about I never went outside, and even she started to think about her family. If I would go outside, who would be take care of my family? But she was fortunate enough, her husband told her, no problem, I would take care of my daughter, you go and just earn money. So how she got courage to go outside, and whatever gold she had, she sold all gold, and she booked ticket, and she managed her passport also. And when it time was for her going to other countries, she was very afraid because she never went outside. But and when she was in flight, there she saw many ladies were same were there, and she was also going to other country to earn money, to earn for same work, to earn money. So she thought, yeah, it is good for me, I met here lots of Indian. So it's she wasn't feel that much of stress, yeah, anxiety. When she reached other country, their agent gave her a burqa. But she was thinking, why I have to wear burqa, because in India she never wear burqa. But agent told her, in this country has rule, you should have to follow that rule. So she had no other option, and agent arranged one bus. But in the bus there was no air condition. But at that country, the heat was unbearable. Actually, she was living in India, that in that place there was also heat place, but not that much of heat which she was went there to the other country, like scorchy hot. And she had no option, because she was alone there. So she just sat on the bus, and she reached the place where she had to work. And when she reached the house, that was a huge house, like a dreamy house, and very beautiful. But when she reached there, the manager gave her a broom and told her, you should just clean the house, you just clean the house like spotless, because madam doesn't like a dirty house. So she just got freshen up, and she started her work. But after some time, actually she had no idea about all instrument was there. So after some time, she met with another girl there. Her name was Santosh, and she described about all the gadgets, like instrument was there, how to work, how to manage all these things. And when she got time, Nazneen got time, so Santosh was also there. So they both started to having conversation. So Santosh told her, why you came here? Actually this is not good place, and even this is not good job. Why you came here? So Nazneen told her, actually I came here to earn money. Even this is, I don't think about this is good or bad. I'm just thinking about I have to earn money and they would be pay for my work. So Nazin told her, I have been living here since 1 year, but I didn't get any salary in my hand. And they whenever I told them to for my salary, they told me, I have sent your salary to your family, you don't need to tell me anything. So and even they took me here only to cleaning, but they always they prefer to give me extra work, so I didn't get time. And even they have doing with they have not so Nazneen started to get taking stress. She thought, why I came here, actually this is not good job, and even I came here and I can't find my family member here, and even she can't talk with them. So Nazneen told Santosh, what do you think to change your job? So Santosh told her, we cannot change our job because it's very difficult here to change our job. Actually madam doesn't like, and she took her passport even. And so Santosh told her, I just want to go from here, I just want to go to my family member, I don't want to live here. So and she told her, I even now I can understand their language, but I always pretend like I don't understand. And once I have listened from madam, when madam was having conversation with manager, she told in next month in summer vacation she would go to India in Kerala, and their language is different. So thinks about she would go there with me. She took me there. So when I will go there, I would never come here. And even if I didn't get my salary, it's not problem for me, but I would not come here. I just want to spend time with my family, I don't want to live here alone. And so Nathan started to taking stress, how what I do for myself, how I can go now my home, because she told me this is not good job. So when the time came to Santosh to going to India, so Nazneen gave her a letter and she told her, when you when you go to India, and just post this letter to my family so they can aware of my situation, what situation I have been facing here. So Santosh told her okay, and she went to India. So after that Nazin started to getting more work, like burden work. Even sometimes she didn't get time for breakfast, for 1 minute of rest. And once she got fever, and she told to manager, I just want to take 1 day stress and 1 day rest, and I don't want to work today. So manager told her, I we have been paying for your work, so you should to work. And even there is no mercy to not to work. And if you would not do, who will do the work, who will clean the house? And even manager started to beat her, and she has faced many time for that situation. Even at that time she had to work. So she whenever she got time, she started to think about, I have to just go India, I don't have to live here. So once one day there was no one in the home. So she saw the outside of home there was a gardener. So she went to the gardener and she told her, actually gardener was also from India, so he can understand the language. So gardener, she told to the gardener, I just want to go India, please do any favor for me, I don't want to live here. So gardener told her, do you know do you aware of the country country rules. In this country, no girls go outside without a man. And so but I would do anything for yourself. So I have met with two ladies in here, so she would help you. But if you would find about when you will would leave from here, and if they find you, they would beat you inherently, and they would not mercy to you. So are you even though you want to go? So she told her, yeah, I even though I just want to go from to India. So he gave her a map and told her, whenever you got time, you go there, and there was a lady who would help you. So she told her, okay. So she just remembered all the map. And so once madam was going to for grocery shopping, so she told Nazrin, you have to also go with us. So when she went to grocery shopping, she did all shopping, and she gave all the item to the driver, and she told driver, I am going to washroom, and I will be come within a 5 minutes. And she just went she just started to run, and sometimes she just started she walked from there. And at that time driver was not aware of that she ran from here. And so they started to search, but she was aware of that no one would find me, because in that country everyone wear burqa. In burqa no one would recognize me. And she went to the place. There was a lady, and actually at that time Nazrin had no passport. So the both lady went to Indian embassy, and they arranged the passport, and they arranged the one-way ticket, and they sent her to the India. So the situation of outside of country, it's very difficult. So it's a moral of the story, it's you should firstly aware of that the agent is good or not good. So you should firstly know about all the circumstances, then you should take action, because it's very important for yourself, and it's very important for your family. If you would do any mistake, your family would have to struggle a lot than you. Yeah, thank